Hey guys, good morning. How are you all doing? Happy weekend to you all. Today is Saturday. I hope everybody's doing well. That is why you're seeing her. She's not allowing me to do anything. Please ignore anything. So today is our day. Mama, stop, please. Go inside. I can't check. Go and bring the teddy. Go and bring the teddy. The baby. Go and bring it. Bring it. Come. So today is our day. You all are welcome back to our channel once again. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, this is your girl RosesGlam. So happy weekend to you all. Today is Saturday, so we are going to quickly do our day 8 workout challenge. If this is what we want to watch, stay put, don't go away. But before we hit into it, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please kindly hit on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's just hop into it. I will go ahead to set up the 5 minutes as usual. Let's see what we can make out of 5 minutes, how many skips we are going to get in that 5 minutes. Yesterday we got 664 thereabout. So let's see what we are going to get today. 550. So we got 5.